You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is d greater than 9/4 greater than 21/4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 9 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the d. Divide both sides by -4. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is d greater than 9/4 greater than 21/4.